Hello, my name is Kevin Kleppe. I'm an IT consultant and assistive technologist for the CSUSB and PDC campuses, and today I want to show you 3 different dictation options that help improve your overall workflow. The very first one that I want to talk to you about is one that is actually available to you right now if you're using a Windows device, and something you can enable just by pressing 2 buttons. This is something that not too many people know about, and as you can see here, I have an Outlook email ready to go, but let's say I don't want to use my mouse and keyboard to actually type this out. I can enable the dictation feature that's available in Windows by pressing the Windows key and H key at the same time. And just like that, I can start dictating into this box, comma, and write this email out with my voice. Period. New line. New line. It's just that easy! Exclamation point. And to turn it off, I just press Windows key and H again, or I can stop talking for a little bit and it will go away. And yeah, this is something that's available to you right now. You just have to have a microphone enabled. You might need to change one setting in your settings to enable this feature, but after that you are good to go. If you have questions on this or any of the other solutions we're going to be talking about today, in this email or in this Outlook email, you have a few different ways to reach out to me. One, my email is kevin.kleppe, that's spelled C-L-E-P-P-E at csusb.edu, or you can give me a call at 909-537-4345 if you want to hear a little bit more about this feature or some of the other features that I'm going to talk about in this video. But yeah, so this is something, again, it's available to you already. Windows key and H. The Windows key is the second from the left of the spacebar. So spacebar, Alt key, Windows key, and H at the same time, and you can enable it and start dictating right away. So the next one that I want to show you is one that is available in Microsoft Word through Office 365. So to get to this feature, I have a Google Chrome browser opened up right now, and I have office.com in my URL, and I can click on the sign in button with my ID at csusb.edu account. All I gotta do is type that in and click sign in. You want to make sure you use the at csusb.edu account and not the at Coyote one, because otherwise this will not work. I am now logged into my Office 365 account, which you get if you are an affiliate with the campus. So students, staff, faculty, you will get access to this account. Basically, this is Google Drive, but it's Microsoft's version. So you get storage, but it's through Microsoft. You get Google Docs, but it's Microsoft Word Online. Excel, PowerPoint, it's all available to you, but it's through Microsoft, through their cloud services. So you don't need to worry about saving anything because everything saves automatically. So the very first one that I want to talk to you about is available through Word. So we'll find the Word button or the Word icon and click on Go to Word. We are now looking at all of the Word documents I have through my account, and we want to look for the icon or the option that says New Blank Document and select that. And now we have a Word document available to us through our browser. We want to look for an option that says Dictate in the ribbon. So we go ahead and click on Dictate once. And at the bottom of our screen, we have our dictation options, comma, and when the microphone icon is red, comma, that means it is listening for our dictation and editing commands. Period. And just like that, again, we can just click a couple of buttons and start dictating into our document. One of the things I will mention about this option, the next one and the previous one, is that it is, again, because it's dictation, it's not going to be 100% accurate. So if we were to look into this sentence that I was trying to dictate right now, you can see that it said in instead of and. So it's not going to be 100%. This is really good for getting the bulk of your document down initially, and then you can go in later on to do further editing and formatting for your document. But if I were doing like a 10-page paper or like a really lengthy email, this is a good option to get the bulk of it down initially, and then you can tighten it up later with mouse and keyboard, or continue to use the dictation commands. One of the pieces of advice that I give to people for getting accurate dictation, as silly as it sounds, if you've ever seen the show Winnie the Pooh, or if you're aware of Winnie the Pooh, you know that there is a character by the name of Eeyore. Eeyore is a character that speaks in a very slow, methodical, monotone fashion throughout the episode and throughout the TV show and series. That style of speaking is actually pretty good for getting accurate dictation from your computer. The more methodical you speak, the more concise and monotone you speak, the more accurate the dictation is going to be. So if you're struggling with accuracy, try to, 1, slow it down a bit, and then 2, try to speak in as monotone a fashion as possible. So no inflection, no raising your voice or lowering your voice. Try to speak in the same way throughout your dictation to get the most accurate dictation possible, kind of like how I speak normally. So this is available through Office 365. You click on Dictate, and then once this option down here, or the microphone icon down here is red, that means it's listening for input. If you were to click on the Help button right here, this will show you all of the different things that you can say into this Word document. So this is a really nifty feature, and they're adding new options all the time. So punctuations and symbols, how do you make corrections? So if you want to delete a certain number of words or sentences, you can do that and look for those options in here. There's a lot of really cool things that you can do for editing and formatting through dictation as well, not just getting down what you're trying to say. You can also do editing and formatting as well. So this is a really cool option. Practice makes perfect, and if you have more questions in the future, be sure to reach out to me as well. So we talked about the Windows H command option. We talked about the dictate option. The next one that I want to talk about is one that is also already available to you in your Google Drive account. So this is my Google Drive account, and you get one if you are an affiliate with the school as well. We can sign in. You can go click on the New option, and then click on Google Docs, and we'll open up a new Google document. And once this is open and good to go, we can come up here to the Tools option, come down to Voice Typing, and we can also press Ctrl-Shift-S to enable this as well. If we were to look on the left of the screen, we see there's an option that says Click to Speak. I'm going to go ahead and click this once. And as soon as it turns red, comma, that means I can start dictating into this document. Period. Yeah, so again, just 2 things you need to enable to get this feature going. So this is voice typing through Google Docs. Very cool feature. Again, the more practice you have, the better results you're going to get. Same thing with dictation through Office 365, and same thing with the Windows H key. But again, these are all options that are available to you right now. So if you are interested in any of these, I recommend checking them out. If you want to get further training or advice on this or any other assistive technology that might be available to you, be sure to reach out to me and send me any questions you might have. But other than that, check these out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video.